In this video, I will show you step by step how you can cancel LOOM subscription. So if you want to cancel LOOM subscription, follow me in this video guide. First, log in your accounts and access your accounts. Go to billing section. As you can see here, you will direct it to billing console option. After that, you will see this billing console option, and you can go to workspace from here also, and then go to setting, log in your accounts here in billing console. You will see this page. From this page, just wait, you will see general. You have different option here. So in this case, all you have to do, you will see this page. From this page, friends, as you can see here, you have this one. If I make this screenshot, as you can see here, this is about manage your subscription. When you see this page, just click this one, manage. This is for manage. Click this one and then click manage. As you can see here, go to workspace, click manage subscription. From here, you can cancel your subscription with simple steps. So this is my subscription here. Just click this one and then click cancel. You can cancel this subscription. So this is how you can do, friends. Choose the reason for this one for cancellation, for example, this one, and then click confirm. So this you can do to cancel your subscription. Click order. This is for ending your subscription, and then choose the reason here. After that, click confirm. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.